Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to look at a case that we actually didn't build, but we did do some pretty cool foam inserts for the drawers. So this is a Proto tool workbox that we did some pretty cool foam inserts in. So as you can imagine, we have some pretty cool tools at LM, but this workbox is envious as far as what tools are included. So strap in. We are going for a 10-minute tour of foam inserts and tools. So it's going to be a doozy, I can tell you that. So check this out. This customer asked us if we could build them custom foam inserts for this workbox. So this is a Proto tool chest, and these are Proto tools, or at least a great majority of them are. So what they basically did was send us a giant box of tools and say, these are all of the tools that we have. Can you make us inserts for each one of these drawers? And we said, sure. And it took us about 40 hours of design time to get this all laid out. It certainly did take a long time to get this done, but man, this thing really came out cool. So if you want to put a giant socket in a drawer, this is a 2 3/8 socket. We can make you a foam insert for it. The workbox the tool chest is really nice. These are really, really heavy duty glides. I have certainly seen a lot of these workboxes that sort of look the same, and this one really feels heavy. But again, the inserts in these they really came out cool. So this is a wrench drawer, as you can see. I think once you start to see the amount of product that's in this, you can understand why it took 40 hours of engineering time to figure this all out. So here's some wrenches. Let's see what we got next. Sockets. Here's a great majority of sockets. Allen keys. This is an OCD dream. We've got more sockets, U-joint sockets, wrench U-joint socket combos. More wrenches and socket wrenches. Screwdrivers of various shapes and sizes. These are crescent wrenches, or these are pipe wrenches on the end. Hammers, shears of various sizes. On this side, there are some more small ones. These are pliers up here. Even my favorite right-angled needle nose pliers. Clamps and vice grips. Some more pliers. I would guess these are probably snappering tools. I actually don't know what those are. And then the bottom drawer, these are just bags of all the stuff that came from the factory. So again, not really an LM case per se, but they are LM inserts. So I'm sure that you guys are going to be interested in this. I know it's not our normal content, but I thought that you guys would dig this because as soon as this thing was done, everybody's been standing around this thing and shipping all day being like, whoa, that's really cool. So if you have any questions, you can send me an email, billy@lmcases.com. There's not going to be a website posting for this. It's just going to be here. But if you have any questions, you can send me an email. And if you'd like to see the daily goings-on of LM, you can check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.